This week's feast.
Scooby-Doo sandwich.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Feast of Fiction. Today I have my pal Josh Elkin with me to help me figure out how to make this Scooby-Doo sandwich that you guys have been requesting like a mug.
Are you ready to make like a humongously large, extra terrific, super tall sandwich?
It's pretty supernatural, huh?
Yeah, I'm saying we gotta go over 1 foot. It's gotta be taller than a foot.
Like, we have to solve the mystery of how to create this taller than 1 foot.
Yeah, in the show, Scooby and Shaggy have like ridiculous appetites.
Like, they're always hungry.
They're always hungry. They're always on the hunt for munchies. We gotta create something that will fill a large appetite. And to be honest with you, I have a crazy large appetite right now. How about you?
I mean, I don't know if it lives up to the hype of this sandwich, to be honest. I don't know. I don't want to disappoint you, but I might be a one-hitter quitter in the bite department.
The truth is that the less you eat, the more I can consume.
Okay, well that makes me feel a little better.
Also, anytime we can make really large and tall sandwiches, we're gonna do it.
And this guy is the pro at it, so looks like I picked the right partner to help me solve this mystery.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
If we're making an epic-sized Scooby sandwich, we'll need a big base to build it on. So we're using a circular roll. Lots of room here. So let's start it off with lettuce, a round of tomatoes, the first of our 3 different cheeses, Swiss. I love those holes, even if it means Scooby can't eat as much cheese. A little more lettuce on top, some salami, provolone, and we'll mix together mustard, mayo, and hot sauce, and then we're gonna begin layering it on, delicately but precisely. What's next? More lettuce, because obviously we're healthy, duh. Tomatoes, Swiss, provolone, black forest ham, and our first round of skewers to keep this thing intact. And let's not kid around, if we didn't have these things in here, this thing would just fall straight over. That's part of making a fictional feast. You gotta work with your restrictions. Now let's put on some more lettuce, more salami, and this tower is just continuing to grow. And you know what? Let's just keep building this thing. Screw the ingredients, just put them on however you want and make the most delicious sandwich that you can. You know what? I'm hungry, you're hungry. Let's put some pizza on top, ruh-roh. You know for a fact that Scooby would put this on top because, hey, this guy's gonna eat literally anything, so let's just keep this going. Now it's time for the second round of skewers, some more lettuce, tomatoes, and the whole works. Just dress this thing up like it's freaking prom night, okay? Just keep going until it is a 10 out of 10 and keep stacking and skewering until, well, I guess until you think you've gone too far, which actually isn't possible. This is a Scooby sandwich after all. Finally, our circular roll hits the top of this entire concoction, and let's just use a syringe with the rest of our sauce to decorate this with some food styling to really make it ooze with deliciousness. Voila! It's the massive, humongous, entirely edible Scooby sandwich. Solve mysteries. Hey, solve a lot of them because you've got to be starving to make it through this thing. And you know what, Ashley and Josh, I think they're actually up to the challenge, so let's eat it up.
Oh my gosh.
This
This is massive.
is humongous.
This maybe is like the biggest, most massivest sandwich we've ever made on Feast of Fiction.
Heck yeah.
Dude.
So what we got? We have bread, lettuce, tomatoes, a variety of cheeses, a plethora of meats.
Wow.
What is this, like 1.5 feet long?
Oh man. Oh.
Hold on, you hold it.
Okay.
We're gonna do this properly.
Okay.
And we're gonna.
You're gonna give us an exact measurement here. Wow.
It's about 1.25 feet.
Wow.
So we weren't that far.
1.25 feet, you guys. Wow. This thing is massive. So now I guess there's just one last thing to do is eat it.
Oh, I was thinking to like just hang on to it.
Oh, you're gonna
and just admire it.
put it in your house like a shrine?
Like a trophy? Could we bronze it? What if we bronze
Oh my
it?
god, that would be great.
I mean, all of this it really makes me want to just try it.
We have to try it.
Yeah.
Now, don't want you guys to be disappointed. We're not gonna eat the whole thing. We're just gonna take 2 massive bites, huh?
You go first.
Okay.
I'll hold it while you bite.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna try and bite into this and get a little bit of pepperoni pizza.
That's cool, because all I got was lettuce and bread.
All right, here goes nothing.
All right.
Oh,
Oh, okay, I heard that.
okay.
Wow.
Okay.
That seemed like a good bite.
That was a great bite.
Well, you know what? I think I should take another bite.
Yeah, do
Okay.
it. That was the biggest bite I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That was a monster bite that goes perfectly with this monster sandwich.
Yeah, and the monster of Halloween themed sandwiches right here coming to you guys as requested. We hope that you loved this episode, and if you guys make this sandwich, be sure to tag us on all social media. Follow the Josh Elkin, follow myself, follow Jimmy, follow Feast of Fiction.
Follow everybody.
Yeah! And leave us a comment below telling us what you want to see us make next. Until next time, bye.
Okay, I'm taking this home, okay?
You got it.